Hey guys, this is Arcadum again. We're back with the Corsair K100 Air wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing and review, and we'll let you know if this thing's worth it. I'd like to send a special thanks to Maxsourcescom for sending us this product to review. Go ahead, check out their website for all the latest news and reviews in tech, and I'll be leaving a link to their website in the description. Now opening up the K100, there's not too much in the packaging itself. You're going to see there is a thin layer of plastic covering the keyboard. You're going to get a few instruction manuals and a Type A to Type C USB cable. This is what you're going to be using to charge the device. According to Corsair, the K100 will get about 200 hours of playtime with backlighting off, and you'll get about 50 hours with backlighting on. At the top left, you'll see the power button, and top middle is where you'll be plugging that USB Type-C cable in for charging. The K100 Air has a premium look and feel to it, thanks in part to a brushed aluminum front panel. The back of the keyboard, however, Corsair opted to go with a plastic back panel. It also has two back stands to adjust the angle of the keyboard. However, when typing and gaming, I felt it was more comfortable just to lay it in the flat position. To the top right of the keyboard, we have 4 multimedia keys and a metal scroll wheel to adjust your volume. Right below that, we have 4 programmable macro keys. These keys also double as a way to switch between up to 3 Bluetooth devices and 1 wireless device. Now to the top left of the K100 Air, you'll see 3 buttons. The first of these buttons is to switch between your different profiles. The second of these buttons is to adjust the brightness of your device. And the third button is to lock the Windows key. This can be useful when gaming. For the keys themselves, Corsair has opted for the MX Cherry ultra low profile tactile switches. Each of these switches are individually backlit. Typing on the K100 Air felt comfortable due to its low profile design, and the keys weren't too obnoxiously loud, as my wife would say. Here's an example of the keys in motion. As for the lighting effects, each of these effects can be customized using the iQ software. This software is downloadable from Corsair.com. The effects can be layered on top of each other for multiple configurations. As for who this keyboard was designed for, I think it was designed for content creators and streamers in mind, with its programmable keys. With its hefty price tag of $280, I also think that it was designed for enthusiasts who want a premium feel to their setup. Also for gamers who game from the couch, this thing has an impressive range of 33 feet wirelessly, so you'll have no trouble connecting to your device and gaming from the couch. Overall, I enjoyed my time with the K100 Air. My only gripe would be the price tag. But if you can look past that and you can afford it, this is a great keyboard and a great addition to any setup. Hey guys, this is Arcadum. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out a lot. We'll be seeing you guys next time. Thanks for watching.